Imperial Escort. Place face up and round effect, choose male or female. Move the next male or female characters drawn into the neutral area to your recruits. Cannot interrupt the faction play. So, I'm going to play this right now, and I'm going to declare females. And so now that would be the end of my turn in this case, so I'm going to flip over end of turn. Okay, that's one female right there. And so one thing to note about the male or female part is with some of these characters, you're going to have robots, and then there are some characters who are unknown. And sometimes if you're not sure on a character, you can always go to the website, pull up the character, it'll tell you in their bio. And so yeah, and as you can see, sometimes the card may sit here for a while on the board while you're going through the turns, and it's going to sit here until it's completed, until you get all three. So for right now, I'm just going to keep flipping until I get three so to complete this faction card. So yeah, that one's female, so we're going to keep flipping and flipping. See, and all right, so there we go. And then one last thing to note with this card is it cannot interrupt the faction play. So if while it's active on the board and you're going through the turns, if someone plays a card that says draw 3 cards into the neutral area, it's not going to affect any of those cards. So yeah.